Yes. Good afternoon. My name is Wayne Rosnack with the Rosnack Retreat, and this is a follow-up to propagating the watermelon vine about 5 months ago. Sad enough to say, it was a failure. We kept replacing the water. Again, it wasn't chlorinated water or anything like that, but the base of the vine started to rot, and degradation of the vine itself, the capillaries within the vine, started to degrade. So it was a failure. We'll try it again later, maybe with a smaller vine. I think I probably chose too large of a vine to work with, but wanted to give everyone an update. All right, so that being said, God bless and Godspeed, my friends. And this is Wayne Rosnack signing off, wishing you a fantastic day.